Yeah, I just want everybody to know that, I mean, a lot of you know that Josh, my nephew, passed away, and he loved doing what we're doing right now. You know, it's kind of our project together. We haven't built anything in probably 20 years, but I don't take this build lightly by no means. It's kind of heartbreaking, but in a sense, justifying, I guess, to not give up on it. So I do wish he was here. He'd be smiling like always, but we're gonna push through, and we're gonna do what we can. But I just want everybody to know, you know, who may not know, that's kind of what we're doing here. So just keep watching. I originally started this video and really for me and him, just to document us working together. I haven't done 20 years, so but I'll continue doing it. Yeah, just keep an eye out. We'll keep posting it. Maybe it'll help somebody that wants to bag a truck. Never know. So Kevin's been working on the bed past few trips here, and first cut out, you know, a little bit of the inner bed there, and then we set it on the truck off and on to get fitment with the truck lowered. So we had to cut a little more, so he went in there and cut a little more. I think we have clearance now, so we're gonna mount that inner fender about 2.5 inches down from the lip. That's plenty clearance. It's above the tire when it's slammed. So I always want this truck rolling, whether it's air lines blue or whatever. So instead of taking it to the lip, we're going to drop it about 2.5 inches. I think it'll look nice and clean. Plus, just in case you want to put a tonneau cover or something on, you got some place to clamp. So smart idea, I believe. So yeah, he's going to keep working on this. Got to remove some of that sealant down there. Just keep prepping it. So after looking at these inner fender wells, it's been, like I said, it's been a while since we worked on a truck, so kind of forgot a few things on condition. But you know, it's pretty rusted. You know, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just buy new inner fenders for the bed. We could still, I'm gonna buy the OEM ones, so it'll be same dimensions, so we can still use it on mock-up and all that. I got them through LMC. I mean, it's like $55 a piece. It's, you know, it's no-brainer on that to get brand new inner fender wells. So we'll have to wait on them to come in to start welding, but we can at least use the original ones to do some mocking up. The inner fender wells on the front fenders, you know, they're sitting right there. They're not in the worst condition, but it could be better. I mean, it'd be some labor to do a lot of sanding on everything, so I decided to go ahead and look on LMC again. And man, they were like $45 a piece, brand new. So we're gonna go that route. So I got these ordered along with the bed inner fenders, and Yo. So I'm gonna keep working on this, and then I think me and Zach will just get into the engine bay and finish some wiring. And I think we may have to. I'm hoping not, but I bought a new starter for this. The old starter gear appendix was kind of chewed up. So I bought a new starter, but you know how that goes. Sometimes you mount a starter and you get lucky. Sometimes you gotta shim it. So we'll be messing with that, see if we can get it adjusted right, shimmed right, whatnot. Well, hopefully you guys can hear me. We're here another morning, starting on the C10. I went ahead and bought new interfender wells, so they came in. So now we're prepping them for the bed, putting some weld them into the bed, raise them up. We'll also kind of clean up the exhaust that was made. Kind of got some surface rust, so we're sanding that, painting it black. But I want to give one shout out to the Vols. Hey, I'm from Tennessee, so they played Ohio State. They did lose, but hey, good season. Go Vols. Anyway, we're going to get going on this truck. Hopefully we can get the exhaust painted and mounted today. And let's see how far we get. So after putting a few coats on it with the Rust-Oleum, it's a repair surface scratches paint, which is 2-in-1 primer and paint. After putting a couple coats on it, actually came out pretty good. I don't really see any spray lines. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. But yeah, you know, the interfender wells, they come coated, but you gotta paint them. If you don't, they're gonna scratch easy, they're gonna rust. But man, I highly recommend that Rust-Oleum for sure. Once again, it's a 2-in-1 repair, service, and scratches paint. Very happy with it. So we got the driver's side pipe put on. Once the truck's lowered, it'd probably be sitting on the ground. We already lowered it. I mean, it was like 1/4 inch off the ground, so that's good. Got tightened up at the header, way down there. This existing exhaust clamp here, but I think we're going to remove this. Use this new one here, and either bolt it or weld it right there. Swing that over to the pipe. This is movable, so to the pipe and probably tack weld to it. So I think that's what we're going to do.
So we are inside the fender well, inner fender well, and so what Kevin did was he, about every 3 inches, put a weld on the internal part of the inner fender well. Same thing for that side. So probably going to leave it like that, and then grab some sealer, and then seal around the edges there, which are pretty flush, but the welds under it will definitely hold it in place. But I'll get some sealer and throw some sealer in there, some body sealer, so it should look pretty good. Still got to build this up, which got to have a sheet of sheet metal here just perfect for that, so we'll build that up, weld it up, and then we'll set it on the truck, see how far step notch sticks out of the truck, so we can kind of measure how big we need to build this notch cover. So yeah, made some good progress today on the truck. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day, and we'll be back. But we got the exhaust hooked up, we got the headers all mounted up right, got the hangers welded. So made pretty good progress today. So I think with that, I think we may conclude episode 9.